Okay, hi everyone. This is Oscar here again from Liwaliw Travels, and today's guys, i-share ko itong aming presentation sa inyo with regards dun sa ating business na ino-offer natin, two business opportunity sa travels and e-commerce platform, no? Four ways to earn with us, no? Dun sa ating dinagdag na bagong programa sa aside from travels, no? So, how to become a freelance travel agent or a franchise travel agent with us, plus yung e-commerce platform natin na sineshare sa inyo recently, no? And also yung ating affiliate rewards program system and yung compensation plan natin dito sa masterclass course, which is really you're gonna blown out dito sa aming i-share sa inyo at ibibigay namin sa inyo. So, this is typically two in-demand industries, no? One income opportunity. Ito yung ating ino-offer sa ating mga current student na mga magjo-join sa atin. So, without further ado, I'm gonna jump in right now. First, of course, share muna po namin kung para makilala nyo kami, no? So we get to know each other well, no? Anyway, my name is Oscar Cesante. I am the founder of the Liwaliw Travels, no? So basically, we are located here at Calgary at the New Horizon Mall. As you can see, this is our official shop, and dito sa kabilang right side, makikita nyo po ito. Magtataka kayo kung ano po yung bus na yan, no? So ito po yung aming 2025 marketing proposal plan, no? Na gagawin. We wanted to elevate or scale up yung business ng Liwaliw Travels, no? For 2025. So we are planning to go around all over Canada to promote the business, as well dalhin or bitbitin yung ating lahat ng travel agent and franchisee, no? So makikita niyo po dyan dito sa bagong picture natin ngayon, nandiyan dyan na yung ating office motorhome po, no? And itong aming logo, no, makikita niyo po yan, yung Liwaliw Travel Tours on the Road, no? So this is a working progress na ginagawa pa namin until now, kasi nga marami pang dapat iayos dito sa aming especially dyan sa office motorhome. So hindi po ganun kadali ang pagse-setup ng ganitong plano. So we still working on it, no? So at the moment, parami ang ating mga travel agent, ang ating mga franchisee, plus nadagdagan pa itong ating bagong project na ino-offer ngayon. Kaya standby muna po tayo dyan sa office motorhome, and we're gonna proceed here dito sa ating ano ba yung mission and vision and advocacy ng Liwaliw Travels, no? First and foremost, no, actually kung mapapansin nyo, yung Liwaliw Travel very Pinoy, no? Actually, nung start ko tong business na travel agency is I really focus on niche, no? Niche product or niche target audience na ginawa namin sa Liwaliw. Kung mapapansin niyo yung website namin is Pinoy na Pinoy po, no? So yun yung advocacy natin na makatulong sa kapwa natin Pilipino about regarding sa kanilang vacation, sa travels. So it come up yung ating adhikain or aim na mostly ang ating mga nagiging pasahero at ating mga clientele is talagang mga Pilipino, mga nandito sa Canada, sa US, all over the world, no? Yung ating mga kababayan na gustong magbalik bayan. So, mapapansin nyo dun sa ating website, meron tayong mga vlog doon tungkol sa ganda ng Pilipinas. So, yun po yung ating mission and vision na makapagbigay ng magandang serbisyo sa travel industry sa ating mga kababayan kapwa Pilipino, at also of course importante yung makatulong sa livelihood. Kaya lumabas po yung ating freelance travel agent na ino-offer sa ating mga kababayan ngayon. And now, we also offer yung franchising po sa pagiging travel agency po. And last but not the least, yung advocacy natin. No? Before, we experience po yung mga kababayan natin na lumalapit sa atin, na humingi ng tulong yung pag-uwi, especially yung mga compassionate ground, yung mga namatayan. Minsan meron nangyari na lumapit sa atin yung kliyente, halos 5 silang gustong makauwi papunta sa Pilipinas. Ang problema sa mahal ng ticket, hindi nila nagawang umuwi ng sabay-sabay yung 5 sila na para makita sa huling hantungan yung kanilang loved ones. And then came up yung ating plan na makatulong sa kanila, yung ating funding na pagbibigay ng Solidarity Travel Fund, no? Kung ma-execute at mangyayari yung ating nilagay na natin sa ating website, yung charity funding. Actually, we're just starting it and sana mag-materialize at matupad, no? And I encourage also yung mga nagiging travel agent natin and yung mga ating kababayan na nagbubook sa atin na in the future, mapansin nyo yung aming advocacy na yan na makatulong, magkaroon ng funding para magkaroon ng free ticket, libreng ticket yung mga kababayan natin nangangailangan ng mga emergency ticket po sa pag-uwi sa Pilipinas. Yun po, sana mangyari po yung pangarap namin at advocacy na yan po. No? So, moving along, okay? What do you need to become a freelance travel agent po muna sa amin, no? So, of course, you need to register, no? And registration is only cost 595. That is our standard pricing, one-time payment to access the full video tutorial on how to become a freelance travel agent po, no? Sa online yan, on your time space. Yung pag-aaral po dyan, tinuturo namin lahat ang system kung paano po mag-start ng travel agency po. And second is the activation of your portal system or website. Magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong website identical to what we have. Actually, it's a 2-portal website. Yung isa sa travels and isa yung sa ating program sa affiliate masterclass course po, no? Which is you will have that to activate the system for $50 monthly po. Napakamura po compare doon sa ibang mga host agency na nagkakahalaga ng from $100 to $120 a month po. Pero sa amin, ipapaliwanag po namin sa inyo yan mamaya later kung paano magiging zero yung monthly payment nyo po sa aming affiliate program system po sa mga susunod na slide po. No? So, once you get the registration, activate the portal system, kailangan nyo pong kumpletohin yung ating video tutorial online para malaman nyo po yung sistema sa pagbubuking po sa ating portal system. 2 portal system po ang ino-offer natin and kailangan pag-aralan nyo po yun para pagdating na nagbubook na po kayo ng mga kliyente is hindi na kayo tanong ng tanong sa amin. And don't worry about that kasi meron tayong regular weekly meeting para sa pagtatrain sa inyo both sa ating travels and also dun sa ating bagong program sa e-commerce platform po. Mamaya, surprise po kung ano yung sinasabi namin na e-commerce platform. Okay? So, moving along, of course, you're gonna join our FB group, no? Meron po tayong FB official group kung saan doon nagtuturo din ako about marketing and sinashare natin doon yung mga updates ng mga portal at kung ano pa man yung importanteng details or message na dapat kong i-share sa inyo, no? And lastly is yung one-on-one meeting natin pag natapos nyo na yung inyong video tutorial course online. We're gonna have a one-on-one meeting via video call para maipaliwanag ko ng kumpleto sa inyo yung paggamit ng ating portal system po sa travels. Okay? Moving along. Ito yung pinakamagandang part niyan, ano? So, as we've mentioned, ang aming masterclass course po, standard is $595 po. Pero, pinaganda po namin ito. Ngayon, we offer 1 month. Take note, 1 month po na gagawin naming promotion itong masterclass course na for only 195 one-time payment lang po. Ano pa ang pinakamaganda dyan? We open up the new e-commerce platform. Dagdag po dito sa business na ino-offer namin. Now, you have travels and dropshipping e-commerce platform po na ibinibigay sa inyo. Binawasan na namin yung presyo, dinagdagan pa namin yung value or products na makukuha nyo po sa amin. Kaya mapapansin nyo po, itong mama na nandiyan dyan, nanlaki talaga yung kanyang mata nung makita nyo yung ino-offer natin. So anyway, moving along. Okay, so ano yung benefits, no? If you become a freelance travel agent or purchase yung masterclass course namin, of course, you will earn an income. So dito makikita nyo yung one-time 195 package natin ay may kasama ng travel agent masterclass course, lifetime Live Good membership dropshipping. Ito yung sinasabi ko po kanina pa about the e-commerce drop shipping, and later we will explain further kung ano po yung company na yan at ano po yung produkto na yan. Another thing is the activation fee. Live Good, Wave Forever. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Libre po. Nada. Wala po kayong babayaran adding on dun sa business na ino-offer namin sa inyo. Itong Live Good, wala na po kayong babayaran, member po kayo, active, at you gonna use it lifetime po. As well, dito sa ating access to travel portal and website, no? And, ito pa yung pinakamatindi, yung ating access to monthly rewards program. Mamaya, explain po natin yan. Wala po kayong makikita kanyang klase ng offer. It's really mind-blowing itong binibigay namin sa inyo. Kaya stay around, tune in. Huwag po kayong bibitaw sa upuan nyo dahil marami pa po akong i-share sa inyo. So, okay, let's move on. So, what benefit you will get from, so dito, ganun pa rin as part at we are sharing you yung benefit na makukuha nyo as a freelance travel agent or upon purchasing our masterclass course, no? So basically, you will have the, as I mentioned earlier, yung 50 monthly subscription, and explain ko sa inyo paanong mawawala yung 50 na babayaran yung monthly shortly po after this slide na share natin. So, yung personalized travel booking nyo, magkakaroon po kayo. Business and marketing tools, yan po yung sinashare natin sa inyo. Member support, always, nandito tayo. Yung access sa inyong referral-based rewards, no? Ito yung $10 monthly. Meaning, when you purchase the masterclass course, right away, you will earn $10 every month right away, no? Upon just buying the masterclass course, na binigyan na namin kayo ng ways para magkaroon ng sariling negosyo, kikita pa kayo dito sa aming programa. So, as we go along, makukuha nyo rin yung ating training, as of course, yung video tutorials. Lifetime, again, inuulit namin. We keep repeating para mas maintindihan nyo po, no? Yung lifetime free membership with Live Good. Activation and future renewals fees will be waived. Kasi meron po talagang bayad ang Live Good. To be honest with you, we'll explain that further later, no? Yung ating access sa ating two-portal system pa rin, paulit-ulit namin sinasabi sa inyo. Again, yung monthly na $10 reward upon purchasing the masterclass course, automatic meron ka ng $10 monthly na makukuha sa amin. As long as you continue your access for just $50 monthly subscription. Yun po yung overall nito, no? Okay. Again, what benefit you will get if you refer? This is part of our referral program, no? Kunyari, let's say, meron din gustong matuto ng travels, no? ah, or meron din gustong matuto sa ginagawa nyo na way of earnings, no? Even if it's a side hustle or full-time. Kapag ni-repair nyo itong masterclass course natin, boom, right away, you will earn a $25. We call it fast start bonus. Right away. Literally, kung mag-repair ka sa ibang tao, meron ka kagad $25 one time fast start bonus. And bawat i-repair mo sa masterclass course, no? Let's say nag-repair ka ng 2 or 3. As you can see here, meron ka na. Upon buying the masterclass course, meron ka ng $10. So, kung magkakaroon ka ng another 5 members, no? Isinare mo for 5 person, ganitong klase rin ng business, literally, $60 will be yours every month. So, ano pa babayaran mo dun sa 50? Kami pa ang magbabayad sa iyo ng extra 10 kasi $60 every month na makukuha mo yung $60 na yan. Kung meron ka lang isinend na 5 members na gusto mag-aral ng travels and also magkaroon ng other businesses gaya ng ibinigay namin sa iyo. So, this is a mind-blowing po. Wala po kayong makikitang ganitong klase ng offer na programa na ino-offer namin sa inyo sa travels and e-commerce and referral program system that we have sharing with you right now. So, grabe po. Ito pa, ano pa ang pinakamatindi niyan? Ito, explain ko sa inyo further. Yung inyong pong Live Good is active. The Live Good program has an affiliate program system din na kapag nag-grow yung inyong team, you will entitled to earn $2,000 monthly to $16,000. Later, I'm going to explain that further to you. Okay? So, you will earn sa aming compensation plan, you will earn sa Live Good dahil active ang inyong membership. Meron kayong passive recurring income na opportunity. At itong business na to is about skills. Like sa travels po, matututo po kayo ng travels. Hindi pa po kasama yon yung pagbibenta nyo ng travels po na isineshare namin sa inyo. That is our main business. Pero ito palang mga side business ang sineshare namin sa inyo is already a mind-blowing, no? So, moving on, help others become agent and grow their own travel business din po. Yung pwede nyong gawin. As well is yung ranking nyo sa Live Good affiliate program po at kayo ay kikita or earn ng mas malaki po. Okay? It is simple, sustainable, and scalable kind of business program na isineshare po namin sa inyo. Kaya, dyan lang po kayo, huwag po kayong aalis. Okay? So, sa travel naman, sa travel industry, what we set apart from other agency like the one I'm showing you right now here. Okay? Yung amin pong travel agency na ino-offer sa inyo, we have a split share of 80-20%. Meaning, the 80% markup na kikitain mo bilang travel agent, it will get to you. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ang makakakuha. Yung 20% sa amin as a host agency. Comparing to this company, Nexion, ang laki ng binabawas nila kumpara sa amin. So, we are giving 80-20, meaning mas malaking chance of earnings sa travels. And dito sa activation fee nila, ang charge nila is almost $2,295. Samantala sa amin, on basic is only $595 po, no? Napakalaki pong halaga yung diferensya po, no? Matututo po kayo about travels katulad ng binibigay nila na mas marami pa yung naibibigay namin sa naibibigay nila. At ang kanilang membership is $49. The thing with this, kung sa kanila kayo kukuha, there is no way na ma-waive nyo yung 49. You will have to pay that for the longest time of your being a travel advisor kasi wala naman silang katulad nung ino-offer namin na compensation plan na kayang i-waive yung $50 na binabayaran yung monthly gaya ng inexplain ko kanina po, no? So yun po yung ating advantage sa kanila. It's totally a mind-blowing advantage or what we set apart from them. So ito pong Go Travel, I actually enroll dito sa agency na to, host agency na to. I think it took me like 2 months staying in there. Kasi po, I pay also yung $499, $50 monthly for 2 months. Pero po, hindi ko po nakita sa kanila yung value gaya ng isineshare ko sa inyo. Kaya hindi po ako tumagal sa kanila. At isa pa, yung kanilang portal system which is yung paano kayo magbebenta sa online is medyo may kamahalan yung ticket nila. Kaya I quit and I study and research more about travels and kung ano yung mga wala dyan sa mga host agency na yan is yun yung binibigay ko po sa inyo. 100% po. No? So, okay, moving along. Eto na, tinatanong nyo siguro, ano ba yung difference ng freelance sub-agent and franchise travel agency? Malaki pong kaibahan, no? Yung freelance sub-agent kasi is you are only entitled to learn how to sell product ng travels, yung packages, yung ticket. But the franchise travel agency, you are entitled to become a fully travel agency, meaning you have our authorization to use our intellectual property as a business na kung ano yung ginagawa namin, ganun din ang gagawin nyo. What does that means? It means yung 595 na course na ibinebenta namin, if you become a franchise travel agent, sa'yo na po mapupunta o sa inyo na po mapupunta yung 595 na sinisingil namin sa base price ng freelance or masterclass course. Ano pa po? Yung ating sinisingil sa ating agent na regular, actually if it's a franchise, we only charge $15 monthly. Kung wala yung ating compensation plan o yung aming promotion na $195. So, we only charge $15 dun sa kanilang sub-agent. So, meaning, yun ang makukuha nila monthly. It's a monthly $15 sa bawat agent nila na magiging kasama nila as a sub-agent sa kanilang Team Empire po, no? And another thing is yung 80-20 split, no? Na sinisingil namin sa bawat sub-agent na sinasabi ko kanina, yung 80% mapupunta sa sub-agent, yung 20 sa amin. Ngayon, yung when you become a franchise travel agent, sa inyo na po mapupunta yung 20% instead. So, parang lumalabas na kung ano yung ginagawa namin, kayo po ang nag-replicate. And as well, dun sa ating affiliate program referral system na ipapaliwanag po namin dito sa mga susunod na slide po. Okay, so ito explanation lang nung sinasabi about the becoming a franchise agent, kung ano yung makukuha nyo, yung 595 na makukuha nyo, kung ilan mabenta nyo, yun ang magiging result ng inyong earnings. So, kung meron kayong 5 nag-sub-agent sa inyo, na ibenta nyo ng 595 yung inyong masterclass course, so you will earn 2,975. And kung meron kang sub-agent na under $15, meron kang 10, meron kang 150. And then, the 80-20 system na kung meron kang 10 sub-agent na earn sa commission nila ng 1,000 each month, meron kang 800 yung sa sub-agent mo, and the 200 will be yours as a franchise travel agent po. So, yun po yung ating system na pinaliwanag ko lang or reiterate you kung paano po yung system. So, Ang tanong nyo, paano kami makaka-avail niyang franchise travel agency? Good question. Ito po yan. May dalawang way po tayo. Let's say, na-purchase mo na yung una na bumili ka ng, it's either binili mo yung aming promotion ng 195 or binili mo yung 595 standard masterclass course namin, you are entitled to have an upgrade. Meaning, pwede ka maging franchise travel agency kung dati ka nang kumuha ng course. So, ang mangyayari na lang is you will just have to pay the monthly subscription of 250 monthly for 24 months or 2 years. You don't need to pay the down payment of 2,000. And you still have to cover, of course, yung hosting na $50 a month. So, meron po tayong three kinds of package sa franchise travel agency, no? It's because it depends on magkano yung dinadown nung straight forward na nagbumili ng franchise mismo, yung hindi pa naging member ng masterclass course. So, meron tayong tatlong category: economy, premium, and business class. Yung economy is 8,000, premium is 8,300, business class is 8,500. It's 500. It's because kung ano yung amount ng down payment, doon po bumabase yung ating mga packages, no? Kung magkano yung babayaran nila monthly and yung down payment nila. So, basically, ganun po ang sistema. So, kung premium, you will have to pay 283 monthly, and if kinuha mo yung business, you will have to pay 312. Lahat po yan for 24 months or 2 years. But, the $50 hosting will be there kasi po yan po yung ating sistema sa website po na dapat bayaran on a regular basis. So, kung hindi ka nag-purchase ng unang masterclass natin, you will have to shoulder yung down payment po. Kung straight po kayong kumuha ng franchise travel agency po, no? So, yun po. Another thing with that is i-share ko sa inyo yung inside the referral program dito sa franchise po. So, let's move on. Okay? Bago ko pala makalimutan, no, meron po tayo ngayong ongoing promotion. It is a massive promotion for franchisee if pay in cash. The cost will be only 5,000 one-time payment for a lifetime use. Ano po ibig sabihin yan? Of course, sa halip na bayaran mo ng 8,000, with this promotion we are giving, no, if you pay in cash or your credit card, bali 5,000 na lang ang babayaran mo. You save ultimately 3,000, 3,000 po. Ngayon, kung ako po merong fund, meron akong pera, and I want to start a business, literally, kung meron akong pera, kukuhain ko po, of course, yung cash po. Kasi malaking savings, 3,000 plus. You still also get the 4 ways to earn dito sa ating system program, as mentioned before. So, if I were you, take advantage of this promotion. No? Okay, so nandito na tayo. Ano ba yung aming ino-offer? No? Anong klaseng serbisyo yung meron kami? Okay, to be honest with you, hindi po kami yung typical na lumang system, no, sa travel, no. We are modern. Our supplier integration for tickets or package is moderno na, no. It's a APS system integrated to our website. And ibig niya sabihin, you passenger or clientele or even you can literally book online using any type of credit card, even major MasterCard, or even cryptocurrency, no? And we offer services from flights, rental cars, hotels, tours, and cruises. Lahat po, meron po tayo niyan. And they can literally book on our website. The website that I've shown you, similar or identical to what we have. Okay, so eto, I'm just gonna run a quick slide dito about testimonies ng ating mga previous franchisee and mga travel agent. I'm just gonna play one student na nag-enroll sa atin kasi hindi ko naman pwedeng ilagay lahat kasi it will take so much time sa ating presentation. So, pakinggan niyo po.
Hi everyone, my name is Anna, a franchise at this travel agency under the leadership of Sir Oscar. Launching a business was my goal ever since, but I was actually worried about the cost and risks. But this travel agency is a game changer because of its flexibility in terms of payment and affordability. Also, it's a perfect business for those who would like to start from home. What truly sets this apart is that Sir Oscar has always been very hands-on and he's always there to help you whenever you have questions. He's actually genuinely concerned and committed to our success. Within 2 months, I was able to generate around $10,000 in ticket sales. And the 80-20 commission is actually one of the most generous I've seen. Another perks of having your own travel agency is the accessibility to different travel portals that actually makes it easy for me to find the best deals, not only for my clients, but also for my own family travels. So if you're looking for a business that is practical, rewarding, I highly recommend this travel agency. So if you want to know more about it, feel free to message us. Thank you.
So, yun po, no? Narinig niyo po yung ating testimonies, no? So, marami pa yan actually, but, we don't have a lot of time. Next time, I'm gonna run edited version of all our testimonies, no?
Hi, everyone.
Okay, so, eto na po, yung ating referral program, no? Affiliates na naririnig niyo sa akin madalas, no? So, some of you might not heard this thing before, but basically, the affiliate referral program we have, hindi po tayo MLM, no? Hindi po MLM ang system natin. We are affiliate referral program. Ibig sabihin, kung i-refer niyo yung produkto namin, you will entitled to earn a commission doon sa gawa ng system sa aming platform or programa. So, just to understand well, I'm gonna play some video here for you to understand further about affiliate marketing po.
Mastery.com, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you what affiliate marketing is and break it down into plain, easy to understand English for dummies. Now, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. Okay, so by you promoting someone else's product or service, by using what is called an affiliate link, okay, which is a link that you can get from a company, a product, or service, someone clicks on that link and they go ahead and buy, you can earn a commission from that. Now, the way that it works...
There you go. So, makita niyo po, clear na clear. Malinaw na malinaw po na yung affiliate referral program system has an affiliate link that you just share it and it's happened. That system that we have is nandoon po sa ating masterclass program po. When someone purchase the masterclass course po, you are entitled to earn all this commission that we are offering to you. So, napakadali po. Very, very easy to understand and yung system na ginawa natin para sa inyo regarding affiliate referral program po.
Mastery.com.
Okay. Dito tayo, no? Let's say, no, when we talk about referral program, no? Kasi yun nga, ino-offer din natin yung franchise. Kung someone, let's say, meron magka-interest na tanong kayo, oy, ano ba yung ginagawa mong business, no? Gusto rin namin yan. So, and then they decided, gusto namin yung talagang business na franchise or something na gano'n. So, if you're a freelance travel agent, sinabi na namin sa inyo kanina yon yung 195 na nakukuha nyo na fast track bonus rewards program. Yun yung affiliate program na binibigay natin doon sa masterclass course lang. But since you are going to, let's say, ma-promote or ma-repair mo yung franchise as a franchisee kasi we offer 8,000, right? So, makikita nyo po yan. No? Yung, let's say, may someone na kumuha niyan doon sa website nyo. Yung freelance travel agent will earn $2,000 commission out of the 8,000 franchise package na sineshare namin. Can you imagine that? Freelance travel agent will earn a commission of 2,000 kapag nabenta nila yung aming franchise travel agency po. If yun namang franchise travel agency na yung nakapag-repair, may nagtanong sa kanila, sis, gusto ko rin gawin yung business mo, pwede ba yan? And then someone purchased the franchise travel agency program with them. Since as we discussed, sa kanila na yung intellectual property. So 50% of that amount ng franchise travel agency is mapupunta sa kanila. Meaning, yung 8,000, they will get $4,000 as a franchise travel agency po. So, makikita nyo po yung kaibahan doon ng commission na nakukuha ng freelance travel agent between franchise travel agency po. So, malaki po. So, we encourage you to upgrade to become a franchise travel agency po para mas malaki yung mga earnings nyo po. No? So, yun yung isa sa mga bagay na sineshare natin sa ating mga student or mga members. Eto na, we'll come up here. I've been explaining this to you since kanina pa when we started. Eto yung e-commerce platform na sinasabi namin sa inyo na we give it away for free membership, but actually the LiveGood company, you have to pay them, I think, $135-$145 a year. But since you purchase the masterclass course with us, dito sa ating actually bonus promotion na 195 na ginawa natin, you are already entitled and secured for a lifetime use of yearly membership continuously sa LiveGood. Meaning, we add this business to you without any other yung responsibility na magbayad sa kanila. We take care of you. Sagot namin kayo. Ganyan yung ginawa namin na pagbibigay added value sa aming mga members po. No? So ano po yung makukuha nila? Of course, you're gonna have your own website here where you want to sell the product there as a retailer. Actually, I'm gonna show you kung sino yung LiveGood. And later on, Reynold will explain further about the LiveGood, kung ano talaga sila, no? Anong klaseng company sila, ano yung makukuha natin sa kanila pag nag-join tayo. And since this is literally free sa inyo, might as well pag-aralan nyo rin po, no? So basically, you're gonna have your own website under your name sa LiveGood po. You can sell the product they're offering. To be honest with you, ang LiveGood po is nasa Amazon na po, amazon.com kung makikita nyo po. They are wellness product, no? Lahat ng something healthy, vitamins, may mga ano rin sila, mga skincare product. So all wellness product na ibinebenta online. So, this is something na napapanahon sa ngayon, no? Na pwede nyo gamitin. I-maximize it. Kasi libre naman, ibinigay namin sa inyo. You know, take advantage of it. And, whether you want to do that or not, ito pa isang share ko sa inyo. The LiveGood has an affiliate passive earnings din, gaya ng ginagawa namin, no? Meron silang way on how you can able to earn. And during sa mga meeting namin sa aming mga trainings, malalaman nyo po yan. Kaya stick around po sa aming weekly training sa Travels and LiveGood po. Abangan nyo po yan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na other ways you can earn dito sa LiveGood. So, yung kaninang explain namin sa inyo, bakit kayo ino-offer yung masterclass course? Kasi dadami kayo, dadami inyong team, Empire, kasi automatic, pag bumili sila ng masterclass course, meron na silang live good. And kapag dumami kayo, umangat ang level nyo, umangat ang ranking nyo, you are entitled to also earn here sa live good po. And kung mapuno ang inyong level, you will entitled to earn at least, no, kung bronze unranked ka lang, kasi may ranking, no, so may sistema yan. So doon sa training malalaman nyo. Pinakamababa po, you will earn 2,447 every month po, monthly. Since active po ang inyong account, literally, you will be entitled na makakuha ng earnings dito sa Libud. So, para malaman nyo po yan, subaybayan nyo po yung aming mga training, yung aming regular weekly training na gagawin. So, yun lang pong may advice ko sa inyo. Binigay na po namin sa inyong lahat, pati patot pananggulo. So, take advantage po itong aming mga ino-offer sa inyo. So, anyway, I think malapit na ako matapos sa aking presentation. Paano nyo kami makakontakt? Of course, sa aming FB page, no, sa aming website, sa official group page natin, pwede nyo kaming makontakt anytime, kaya ng oras, at madaling araw yan, I will respond to you guys. Sa ating YouTube channel, TikTok, and also, abangan nyo po yung aming 2025 Canada Tour US, no, doon sa aming platform sa dito sa Office Motorhome. Abangan nyo po yan. We also vlog, nasa YouTube po tayo. Abangan nyo po kami sa aming YouTube channel at mag-subscribe po din kayo. So, anyway, I'm gonna leave you with the parting words quote na sinasabi, ang success daw, success only comes to those who dare to attempt. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung kumikilos po. Kasi po, kung pakinggan nyo lang to, panoorin nyo, and then gusto nyo mag-business pero wala naman kayong ginawa, hindi kayo kumilos, hindi kayo nag-take ng action, walay. Walay din, no? Kung napapanood niyo yung mga video ko, no, sa FB, and then puro kayo how di Carabao, pero hindi kayo gumagawa ng aksyon, walay. Hindi po magmamaterialize. Ang pinakamaganda nyong gawin is kontakin nyo kami at mag-register right away sa aming promotion na ginagawa ngayon na $195 lang plus the monthly subscription of $50. As I mentioned earlier, all those monthly subscription will be out. Parang ibinigay po namin itong opportunity business na ito sa inyo, literally free. Nada. Lahat po. Anyway, thank you so much. This is Oscar again from Liwaliw Travels. Have a great day. Bye. Ciao.